Morning guys, we're back on track again. Stefan from Diesel Tech. We brought some friends with us today. We are about to go and check out and try out Grabouw 4x4 route. We've been to Winninklip on Monday, so keen to check out this one as well, and hopefully we can keep you guys posted and show you more or less what you can expect here. So let me show you some of the stuff that I've done. Okay, so during Winninklip's trial we did the other day, we had some issues on the mud flaps, so I took the mud flaps off in order not to lose them or damage them completely, as we kind of half tore the other one off, the right hand side one. Then the tow bar, as the tow bar is quite lengthy at the back and sometimes causes the vehicle to get elevated at the back once you get out of a ditch, I took that out as well. And the rest remains fairly the same, and currently we're just deflating tires to 1.5 bar, and then we will be hitting the road to show you guys around and see what we can expect here. Just a quick glance into the back. What we do is we don't always have the fridge with us, but when we do go with it, then obviously I strap it down with a ratchet strap. On this side I just put an extra jerry can of diesel just in case we need some fuel, a container of water, also strap it a lot down, and then just a little plastic bin that's got our jack in there, and then we just use it as a waste bin at the same time. So as we go along the route and we eat and drink stuff, the plastics and glass and the recycling stuff goes into that, and once we get back home it goes into the recycling bin as well. So that's it for the back. Wow, okay, ja, nee, ek het nou het ons nou hier opdraai het ek gesit.
Ja, ek sê vir net vir hierdie laaste paar nie, was die eerste keer wat ek nou seker nou 'n bietjie challenge met 'n two-wheel drive sou gehad het. Okay, dankie man.
ek dink daarom nie. Our first real obstacle for the day. So let's see how it goes. This is where things went a little bit south for me, as I wasn't clearly watching exactly what my friend was indicating. See what happens. Okay guys, here we're going to take the escape route, which will be this one. As this hill, we just walked out to the top, but you will require serious tools as in your vehicle in order to get over those bolts of rocks and loose gravel and stuff. So when I saw on a website that they say grade 3 to 6 4x4 track, I didn't understand 6, but I think this is what they're referring to as 6. So, but yeah, just look at this view. Alright chaps, so while we're waiting for our friends, they approaching from that hill over there somewhere. So far what we reckon or think about Grabouw 4x4, awesome trail, a little bit more challenging than Clip that we've been to on Monday. Their route is much more simpler in a normal 4x4 directed route with their obstacle courses next to it, where this one is already been 2 spots where we had to climb out just to go and make sure that you don't damage your vehicle, like what happened to us. We popped off the one rock because I didn't follow the lines as I was indicated and knocked the sump guard, but that's fine, that's what the sump guard is there for, rather that than body damage. But yeah, so far so good. So let's go and see what the rest of the route looks like. Cheers. There's our evidence sitting on a sump guard, but I mean that's fine. It's nothing major. The rest of the guard is fine. So some storytelling happening there. Having some lunch.
Links af die toe of waar dat is julle?
We are now just heading to some waterfall point. Alright gents, definitely the highlight scene of this track is the dam in the background there. Second half of the course is not that stiff as the first half, but still to be enjoyed. We almost lost our two left tires due to a little bit of a bedrock that both my co-pilot and I didn't see, and we hit both the left wheels, but luckily they seem okay. Other than that, nothing serious as in the first half compared to the first half, but also a very, very nice 4x4 trail or track to come out with your family or friends and enjoy. A little bit of challenges, but nothing too serious, and definitely very, very pretty views as well. So fun factor, we would rate this track maybe a 6 to a 7 out of 10. View factor, scenery, I would say also 8 out of 10. So come and check them out and give them a try if you haven't been here. So our conclusion of Grabouw 4x4 is similar to Winning Club. We would like to come back again in the future to redo the track, but would definitely skip the second stage or loop of this trail, as we were more concerned over the bushes and trees overgrowth that was scraping on the paintwork of the vehicle more than what we were concerned about the road conditions itself. Other than that, it is actually a very, very entertaining track. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Keep well, and we will see you in the next episode. Remember to subscribe if you have not done so yet.